Are we almost at the Mawiomi, Granddad?
It's just over in that clearing, Pikto'l. Can you hear it?
Huh? I can hear it, Granddad. Can I go?
Of course, Pikto'l, but
Yeah, thanks, Granddad.
don't you want me to show you how to dance first? I hope Pikto'l knows what to do.
That's the Gojua song, Pikto'l.
It's a very fast dance.
Very fast.
We celebrate Mawiomi by dancing.
We celebrate everything by dancing. Dance with us, Pikto'l.
I wish I could dance too. The Gojua song is too fast for me. Huh? One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got it! Rabbit? Thanks, Rabbit!
There he is. Where did you go, Pikto'l?
I was just practicing my dancing.
Great. Well, let's see what you can do. It's time for a dance competition.
I had so much fun, Granddad.
I could see that, Pikto'l, and you danced the Gojua very well.
Thanks, Granddad. Maybe next time I'll win the dance contest.
Well, you won the contest in my books, Pikto'l. Quiz, you danced so well and with so much pride. I have a gift for you.
What on, Granddad?
You're welcome, Pikto'l. But Pikto'l, I have to ask, where did you learn to dance the Gojua?
Oh, a little rabbit taught me.